Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blurry text on Windows 10. And now, let's get started. Often after installing Windows or applying updates, you might notice that the text on your computer appears blurry. This can happen for specific applications, certain windows, or even your entire desktop. This video provides a straightforward solution to resolve this issue. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select System. In the System window, in the search bar, type Clear Text. Then, click on the option that says Adjust Clear Type Text. A new window will pop up. Ensure that the box labeled Turn on Clear Type is checked. This feature helps Windows render text more sharply, making it easier to read. After checking this box, click Next. The next step involves selecting the native resolution of your monitor. If you wish to adjust your display resolution, navigate to the display settings and choose your preferred resolution. However, if your current resolution is already optimal, you can proceed by clicking Next in the Clear Type Tuner. You will then be presented with text samples. Select the text sample that appears clearest and sharpest to you. Click Next. You will see more text samples. Choose the one that looks best on your screen. Continue clicking Next to fine-tune the text rendering. For instance, you might select one option that looks a bit sharper than others. After making your selections, click Next repeatedly until you reach the final screen. You have now finished tuning the text on your monitor. This process should effectively resolve blurry text issues on your Windows 10 machine. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.